So, hey guys, so we're going to be throwing off some teddies off of the bunk bed. This is Moo. This is
Baby Yoda.
Baby Yoda. Oh yeah, I forgot to say that we're naming them. We already named them. This is Hilda. This is John. This is Coco. You sure?
Yeah, Marshmallow.
Marshmallow, of course.
Milo Mine and Hawk.
You forgot.
Oh, and Stripes.
All right. So
We're going to start off with Moo.
Moo.
I'm sorry, Moo. No. Give me Moo.
No,
Moo. He had brain surgery.
All right, we're not gonna throw Moo
No.
on.
His shirt. Take it back up.
All right. So we're gonna.
I'm gonna go down here
go
to
down.
film it.
We're gonna be.
Okay.
We're not gonna be throwing Moo.
No, Moo.
So we're throwing. 3, 2, 1. Yo.
My room's such a mess.
Yeah, and then we got Hilda right here.
Goodbye, Hilda. She did a backflip.
We're gonna do John last because he's the best.
Then
Then Coco.
Goodbye, Coco. It's so hard to film this. Oh my god. Marshmallow.
Exactly. So, Stripes.
Stripes.
That's actually big.
I know, but we use.
Alright, Hawk.
Goodbye, Hawk.
Gonna get a yeet.
Oh my god, Hawk. It's okay. I got Hawk.
Not mine.
Hello, Hawk.
That went well. And then
John.
the boy that you've been all waiting for.
John.
John.
Okay. Let's go.
Oh! He got knocked out by that
Outro.
door. Alright, see you guys. See you next time. Maybe we're gonna film another one today.